esatto, che sarà l'ultima fila, quindi siamo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So this is the first project in which we are setting up the trial. So we will monitor the evolution of the trapunta in time to see if they perform well.
For this work, we are just use trapunt to prevent the evolution effect of the wave of the propellers. Erosion from the pier is very important because this pier was built many years ago with a standard of ship more or little. We use this trapunta at the bottom of the sea to prevent this erosion, the effect of the wave, because there is a net in inox steel and the stone are not uniform but reduce the energy.
Welcome to Piombino site harbor, and today we make the last operation to verify the installation and to begin the experimentation in the water. In the next month we monitoring this system with some people that go in the water to verify the connection, to verify the movement of trapunta, and to study if this system is good to protect the harbor from the ships that in this site arrive. We hope that is a new beginning of a new brand for our organization.